Hello everyone, today I have a tutorial on how to get airfoil coordinates from Airfoiltools or the UIUC Airfoil data site into SolidWorks. This will be a pretty short tutorial and I'm sure there are honestly better methods to do this, but this is the way I've always done it. For this tutorial, you will need access to some sort of airfoil plotter or coordinate database like airfoiltools.com. Of course, you'll need SolidWorks and either Excel or Google Sheets. To start, I've picked out the NACA 64206. I'm going to go and go onto its page. So we have this stat file here. I'm just going to go and open that into a separate tab. Control A, Control C, then pasting it immediately into Excel. First, I'm going to delete this row and then highlight this column, head over to Data and Text to Columns. As you can see, this data is stuck into one column and we obviously want it separated into columns so that we can parse it easier. So we're using the text to columns wizard. I'm gonna go and click next there. And then here we want to click space and make sure treat consecutive delimiters as one is checked as well. Click next, everything should be good here, finish. You can see that we've split it into two separate columns now. SolidWorks requires Z coordinates as well. And obviously this is only a 2D airfoil, so we're just going to fill the third column with zeros. So now we'll need to save this file as a text file. So we're going to go to Save As, click here, and go down to Tab Delimited Text. Just going to name this NACA 64206. And then we'll need to go ahead and close this so that SolidWorks can access the file. So now we're in SolidWorks and I've gone ahead and created a new part. I'm going to go in the Features tab and click Curves and then curve through XYZ points. Click Browse and change the file type to text. Here's our 64206. Open that. You can see we already have a preview of it. Just click OK there. And we've got a curve of our airfoil. SolidWorks automatically puts the curve on the front plane. So I'm going to start a new sketch on the front plane. Click the curve and convert entities. And now we actually have a sketch of the airfoil. From there, you can do whatever you need to do. This is our airfoil straight from airfoiltools.com into SolidWorks, and it's ready for analysis or whatever else you may need with it.